Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Yesterday's video explained you about the types of angles and continuing further with the pair of angles. In that we have studied about the supplementary angle, complementary angle and bisector of angle. Continuing further with the adjacent angle, we will understand what it exactly means. Now, you can see the definition I have written in it. What it is showing us, telling us, two angles are adjacent angles if it satisfies following properties. Common vertex. It has a common vertex. Vertex means you have already seen in the previous videos where I explained you what is the vertex. Where the two arms are joined is known as a vertex. B point is a vertex. They have a common arm. This is my common arm. Now let us label it, name it. BD is my common arm for the angle ABD and CBD. These two angles has a BD as a common. Their non-common arms are on different sides of the common. This is my common arm. So on the either side, different sides of the common arm, the other two arms are lying. So I think adjacent angles, you quite understood it. What exactly an adjacent angles are. If we write it from this example is angle ABD and angle CBD are a pair of adjacent angles. Next is our linear pair angle. Now let us understand. If the non-common arms of two adjacent angles form a line, this word is important, form a line, then those angles are said to be linear pair angles. This angle having a two adjacent angles, but it is not said as a linear pair. Why? Now see. First angle I framed it here. Now another angle, produce it on the opposite side. So this is my common point P, O and this is Q, and here if I write it R. So you can see this angle POQ plus angle POR give us a straight line. Then it is known as a linear pair angle. Also, the addition of these 180 degree as it forms a straight line. So straight line angle measurement is 180 degree. So linear pair angles always give you 180 degree. Fifth is vertically opposite angle. When two lines intersect each other at the point, then they form two pairs of vertically opposite angle. Let us understand here. This is one line and this is another line. Named it as A, B and intersecting point as O, another one as P and Q. So, which are two vertically opposite angles? Which is with the same color. So, these two are the vertically opposite angle and these two are another pair of vertically opposite angle. So first pair angle AOQ and angle POB. Second pair is angle AOP and angle QOB are two pair of vertically opposite angles. Dear students, now we will understand a theorem 6.1. Now let me tell you what we mean by a theorem. Theorem means a statement which we can prove it by a logical applications. And axiom means a statement which we have to accept it theoretically. No proof is given for it. As it is a theorem, we are logically proving just in a 3 steps. First is a given. This is our statement which is given to us. What is a statement? If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Just now we have seen two vertically opposite angles are formed. Now we have to prove it. What we have to prove it? To prove means this we have to find it out. First, what it is? That angle AOC is equal to angle POD. And second is angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Now let us first of all see how this pair of angles are formed, and then we will go for proof. Proof means logical application. This is my AB line, the intersecting point as O, and another line as C and D. Now what is that? Two pairs are formed. AOC. This angle is equal to angle BOD. That we have to prove it. So for that, the logical application what we use it is known as a proof. For the proof, what we can write it here? Proof means logical application. How we can say this? Here OA ray stands on CD line. As it stands on CD line, it makes a linear pair angle. How it is making a linear pair? By an axiom. It is axiom, as I told you previously. Axiom means a statement which is we are accepting without proof. Linear pair angle means 180 degrees. Sum of the measure of two angles is 180 degrees. So we can write it as it forms a linear pair angle. Linear pair means straight line forms. By adding two adjacent angles, we get it a straight line. So it gives us 180 degrees. Name it as a firm. Similarly, if we take it OD ray stands on AB. So AOD plus BOD is equal to 180. Same axiom. So both are equal to 180. So from 1 and 2, what we get? Angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to angle AOD plus angle BOD. Can we write it because both are equal measurement? 180, 180 degree, both are given. So, logically these two addition will be equal. Now, as you can see, AOD on both the sides with the same sign. So, it can be nullified. So, therefore, AOC is equal to BOD is proved. Similarly, with same explanation, we can prove angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. So, dear students, theorems are very important. You have to learn by heart it and write it as I wrote it in the video, not as it is given in the textbook. Please write it given to prove that way. Otherwise, you are not able to score marks in exam. Thank you students for watching the video. Learning, stay home, stay safe.